Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This video specifically is a trade that I actually took on SPY. The date is Monday, August 14th. I said I would do this trade. I would show you how I did it. It's less than 5 minutes, guys. The Strat is by far the easiest way to trade in the stock market. I promise you guys that. This trade was probably not quite 5 minutes. It might have been six, but it net me 32% in 6 minutes. I was in, I was out, and I was done for the day. This is all you need, okay? If you can consistently get these 32%, I shouldn't say 32, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50% plays consistently, you're going to be far better off than if you go headhunting for 1,000% play. This video is going to be very, very short. It's not going to be long at all. We're going to show you exactly how I trade SPY every single day. This is my cheat code. This is my bread and butter. It's how I get through trading. It's my sweet spot, okay? Might not be for you, but it's going to work for a lot of people, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do here, guys, we look for a few things when we're trading. So number one, when I trade off of the 15-minute chart. Okay, you can see that 15 there. This is the 15-minute chart. So I set my triggers and my targets on the 15-minute chart. And the triggers are very easy. The triggers go to the top of the preceding candle. So when this candle opens, this is my preceding. And the targets go to the highs of the preceding candle. Okay, so trigger, targets. Okay, so if there was another candle further down that was this high, that would be my next target. Now we use this strat. So what I'm looking for here is 2-2 reversals, 2-2 continuations, inside bars, which are bars that don't break the high or the low. So this is essentially a 2-2 continuation. We had a 2 up, means we only broke the high of the previous candle. We're going to look for another 2 up, and we're going to look for it to hit this target, and that's all we need. Okay, it really, I promise you guys, is all you need. Okay, but when I make the trades, I need the hourly green, I need the daily green. So when we hit this trigger, this hourly flips to green, this daily is green. That's all I need. And this is just telling me on the hourly there's buyers, on the daily there's buyers. If there's more green on the week, the month, the quarterly, and the yearly, that just means I have a better probability, a better chance of this trade working out, because it is probability based. Okay, every trade we take is probability based. So let's get into it. Triggers and targets on the 15. Then what I do, guys, I go to the 5-minute chart and I manage the trade from the 5. My trigger is still set from the 15. My target is still set on the 15. Okay, and it really is that simple. Okay, the reason I manage on the 5 is because it manages my risk the best. It allows me, if these candles reverse on me, it allows me to preserve my capital. And that's maybe not the number one goal of a trader, but it's really important part of being a trader is to preserve the capital. The wins will come, but you need to preserve your capital when you're on the losing ends of trades. Okay, so let's just fast forward here. We'll go through this, guys, is all you need. Okay, we triggered, I bought here, and if you look up in the top right corner here, that is the trade that I took. Okay, and it really is that simple. It was a 32% trade. We bought at the trigger, and I sold as this came up through the target and then reversed back through the target. I'm out of the trade. Okay, and that was it. That's a trade, guys. So there's two ways to do this. Number one, and I'm going to just pull up a red candle here so you guys can see. Let's do this. Let's make this red. Okay, so there's two ways you can do this. Once that triggers, you can make that your target or your stop loss, or you can make this first target your stop loss, because a lot of times we'll come through these targets and then we will reverse back through. So for me, on this day, that was my target. That's where it reversed through. That's where I took my profits. The other option is, if we go through one more 5-minute candle, you can use the bottom of these candles as your stop loss. So I could have used that as my stop loss. Now, I am never going to let a green trade turn red. So my stop losses is there. And that's exactly why. What happened with this candle here, we trended back down. I would have lost all my profit because I got greedy. Happens way too many times with traders. If I got 30%, maybe I can get 50, maybe I can get 100, maybe I can get 200. Don't get greedy. Take what the market gave you. This this setup said if we trigger, we're likely going to hit these targets. That's your profit goal. That's your target. Doesn't matter if it's 5% or 50%. That's your target. If we reverse through that target like we did, take your money. Okay? See money, take money. Fix It Phil 2.0 on Twitter. He always says that. See money, take money. Okay? That's exactly what we did. And I'm going to continue on and I'm going to show you why you take your money there. That's why you take your money, guys. This and so here's another thing. So people always ask me, how successful is this strat? How much do you win on it? What's your winning percentage? The winning percentage is only as good as the trader trading the trade. Okay? Because I took this trade and I sold when it reversed through this target, 32%. Now you on the other side of the screen could have taken this exact same trade and you could have said what I just said. You're holding for 100%. And it comes back down to your starting point, your trigger, and you're thinking, oh man, if it went up to 30%, it can get back there again. I'm just going to hold it. Okay? Well, did it? It sure did. It got back up there, and you're like, man, if it got back to 30%, if it can just get a little bit more, I'll sell it. And then it doesn't. Okay? And then it reverses back through, and now you're in a minus 30% loss or a 40% loss or whatever it is. But you're in a losing position now, and you've got no way out. Okay, you just lost your trade. So the winning percentage on the strat in this strategy is only as good as the trader who is trading it. And it's that simple. Okay? Follow your rules. Try and have as small of emotions as you can. And follow your rules. It's as simple as that. Trigger, target. If it reverses through your targets, take your profit and walk away. Walk away for the day. I will take 30% every single day. That's 150% gain a week. Okay? That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Discord is in the description below. There's a link there. It's free to join the Discord. There is a paid membership. I have a 1-hour course that teaches you guys exactly what I do here, exactly this strategy. Or I have free playlists on my YouTube channel that you can check out, okay? Either one of those, whichever you guys want to do. No pressure here, guys. Come back for more. I'll be doing these videos more often. I've got over 100 learning tool videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell. Follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram as well. And we will see you guys all on the next one. Good luck on your trading journey, guys. Bye-bye.